Hello everyone, I'm Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in London. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about finance. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like. Finance, 金融. My parents work in the finance industry. 我的父母在金融业工作。Ooh, the price is going up. Good. Investment, 投资. My investment has paid off. 我的投资得到了回报。Bank, 银行. I went to the bank today. 我今天去了趟银行. Here's my check. Bond, 债券. The return on company bond is good. 公司债券的收益很好。Savings, 存款. I have a lot of savings in my bank account. 我有很多存款在我的银行账户里。Oh, I have so much money. Loan, 贷款. I applied a personal loan from the bank. 我从银行申请了个人贷款. Approved. Account, 账户. Can you open an account for me, please? 你能帮我开个账户吗? Your account is ready. Next! Credit card, 信用卡. Can I pay this with my credit card? 我能用信用卡付这个钱吗? Sure you can. Interest, 利息. I have to pay the interest for my loan every month. 我每个月都要付贷款的利息. Why do I have to pay the interest again? Mortgage, 抵押. My house is mortgaged to the bank. 我的房子被抵押给了银行. Oh no! Bond, 基金. 我买了基金. Securities, 证券. That's all for today. Hope you like it. Remember to subscribe